Hello and welcome everyone, Marcus Small here from thesmallman.com. Today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list or a data validation list inside of Excel. So what we're going to do is we're going to go onto the data menu and you will create just a hard-coded list, so just for yes, no, and then I'll show you how to create a list that refers to an actual range. So let's get straight into it. We'll go to data, data validation, and then data validation again, and then from the drop down the fourth item is called list. Data validation, list. Alright, so in here we're just going to type yes, no, and then we'll click OK. And then from this little cell we've got the choice of choosing yes or no. Now these lists are fantastic when you want to get the exact words or phrases appearing in a cell, so there's no typos at all. Alright, now how do we do it when we're referencing a range? Well, we go through the same process. So data validation, list. Now in here we just point to the cells that contain the range, and you see we've got choice of year here, and then these are the cells. So we just click in the cells from A2 to A6, we click OK, and lo and behold we should have those years to choose from in that cell. So there's two versions of how you can create a data validation list in Excel. Alright, hope you found it helpful. Have a great day everybody.